Why do Arctic terns fly over 40,000 miles every year? Let's dive into the mind-blowing facts. The Arctic tern holds the record for the longest migration of any animal. These tiny birds travel from the Arctic to the Antarctic and back every year. That's over 40,000 miles. And get this, they see more daylight than any other creature on Earth. But it's not just their epic journeys that make them special. Arctic terns can live up to 30 years, meaning some fly over 1 million miles in their lifetime. Talk about impressive. Plus, their diet is as varied as their travels, snacking on fish, insects, and even berries. So next time you think about going on a trip, remember the Arctic tern, the true globetrotter of the skies.